Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to talk about a natural remedy for coughing relief, citrus limon. You know how it goes. When you're feeling under the weather, you often find yourself coughing nonstop. Well, did you know that citrus limon, also known as lemon, can help soothe that cough? Simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water, and you'll be amazed at how it helps to calm your cough. Plus, it's a great way to hydrate your body and get some vitamin C. So the next time you're feeling under the weather, give citrus limon a try for some natural cough relief. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, everyone!